Hi, it's Rochelle. You are?
Baby, I.
So, ayan. So, nasa unan si Bebe. So, today is October 28. It is Saturday and it is past 11 a.m. Actually, medyo kanina pa kami, nasa biyahe eh. Ngayon ko lang naalala. So, today is Mom's birthday. So, pupunta kami ng Laguna. At the same time, dun sa subdivision, meron ding trick or treat. So, kaya naka-costume si RR. Anyway, yan lang naman ang magiging ganap today. Birthday ni Mom, tapos trick or treat ni Bebe RR. So, I'll just update you guys later. Oo.
Nasa my day na ni May.
Hi, Mama.
Hi! That's a fancy trick or treat.
Hey, it's past 4 p.m. Tapos na yung trick or treat. Ayan. Naglilinis na sila. So, kinukuha na lang yung food. Kasi nga dahil birthday din ni Mami, dito na lang siya pagpapakain sa officers. At saka, yun, sa amin na rin. Dito na rin kami kakain. Wow, puno ang pumpkin. Oh, what's inside?
This is a marshmallow.
Oh, there's a marshmallow.
You see my marshmallow.
Oh,
And it's for you.
thank you. It's 8 p.m. and we're home. And si Bebeng ko, sleeping bagsak siya, sobrang pagod. Ako naman kakatapos ko lang uminom ng gamot kasi sumakit yung ulo ko, siguro dahil din sa init kanina. Anyway, yun lang. And I'll update you guys tomorrow. Hi, it is Sunday, 5:30? Past 5:30 a.m. And we're on the way sa Villarsipag. Villarsipag ba tayo? Villarsipag, magwo-walking kami and si baby naman mag-scooter. Maaga nagising si Bebe kasi nga medyo na-mess up na naman yung sleep niya kahapon. Kagabi pala, maaga siyang nakatulog. Nasa biyahe pa lang kami, siguro mga 7, nakatulog na siya. So nagising siya mga 3 a.m. And pag nagising siya, magigising na rin kami. So ayun, kaya napaaga yung walking ngayon. Medyo madilim-dilim pa yan as you can see. Pero nagsisimula na rin namang lumiwanag. Na tayong magpaaraw. Now naman ay breakfast. Hi, it's 2 p.m. and we're out and about. We're going to Landers kasi meron dong trick or treat. Registration nila is 1 p.m. and then yung start ay 3 p.m. So we'll see. Pero kapag ka sobrang dami, baka hindi na rin kami masyadong magtagal kasi baka mapagod si Bebe. And what's your costume? What's that?
The costume.
What's your costume? This one. What's this? Who's this? Moana.
Amana.
And ayan yung mga nakuha niya kahapon. Wow. Bawas na yan. Tinanggal na namin yung iba. Yeah. Here na. Anong oras sa baby? 2:20, no? Ayan, pero may pila. Nakapila kami. Tapos ito yung yan, yung Landers. Mabilis naman. Moving naman siya. So, we'll see
Jingle bell,
kung worth it.
jingle
Strangers. It's 3:31. We're back in the car. And hindi namin na tinatapos lahat kasi super haba ng pila dun sa iba. Tsaka ang dami-daming tao ngayon. Hindi na rin kami bumili ng kahit ano. Kasi nga, ang haba rin ng pila dun sa pinaka-grocery. So, yun nakuha ni RR. Wait lang ha. Sa biscuit station, meron siyang candy station. Oh, wow, she's showing it. And then, meron siyang chocolate station. Ang hindi lang namin napuntahan is yung popcorn station at saka yung cotton candy station kasi super blockbuster ng pila. Ang haba talaga, literal. Yes. Pero nag-enjoy siya kasi ang dami yan nakitang mga kids din na naka-costume. Ah, anak, did you enjoy? Anak, are you happy?
Hi, happy.
Are you happy?
Hi, happy.
Uy. Happy?
Happy. Baby, SBC.
Oh, baby RR's missing. So, ayun, right now, pupunta naman kami ngayon sa garden, sa parents' house sa Cavite. Yan. Ay, say bye-bye naman na.
Bye-bye.
Huh? Who are you? What's your costume? What's this?
Iguana costume.
Yung pala sinasabi niya, iguana, Moana talaga yun. What's this? What costume is this?
Iguana.
Oh, iguana talaga. Moana!
Moana.
You say Moana.
Moana.
Ayun. Hi, magta 10 PM na po and we're home. Well, kanina pa. Nakapaglinis na kami ng katawan and ready to sleep na yun ang aking bebe sa loob ng kanyang tent. Kaya nagwa-watch siya. Pero dyan kasi siya natutulog. So yun, that's pretty much it po for our weekend vlog. And para pala siyang Halloween edition kasi parehas na day ay may Halloween na event si Bebeng. So ayun po, again, thank you so much po for watching. Stay safe. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye! RR, you say goodnight. Stay safe. See you on the next one.